Hello, today I talk about how to install Windows operating system in the virtual machine. Today I use virtual machine in the Oracle VitualBox. I install Windows 10 in the VitualBox. Let's start. I install already Windows XP, Windows 7. So I install Windows 10. Okay, we choose ISO image. The desk. Here's Windows Enterprise LTSB. I install this. So skip here. On hardware we use for the 6 we use 2 process. Hard disk we use 100 get bit. Get bit. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Finish. Now I click start. Choose English, United States, English and US keyboard. Install. Accept the license. Give me this. Next. Yes. So So here we should install special software for which machine, which box. Device, insert guest addition cd. Okay. Here is 64 bits is the operating system. Okay, click here. If you don't install this VitualBox guest addition, you can't enlarge this display. Here it is screen too small. Yeah, if you install this guest addition CD, imagine you make this screen big. Let's say full screen model. Okay, here. Okay, that's it. So I installed all the Windows operating system in the virtual machine. We should communication from the original operation from the Windows selection. I want to install all the software. Okay, let's start how to set up share folder. Click setting, go to share folder, click here, choose desktop and click download. Okay, here we can see here have two folders. Virtual is the disk is download desktop. We can go to desktop. We install these two software. Is okay, install this one. Accept. Okay. To here, create two CD drive is virtual CD drive. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, today I just show you how to install Windows operating system in the virtual machine, VitualBox. Thank you very much.